When the name Majesty Gardens is mentioned, it's not always in a good light, as over the years, the community has often been plagued with violence. However, one principal, Marsha Valentine Taylor, decided her young charges were going to make a difference as she entered them in the PSAL Alacta Plus infant football competition. And not only did Majesty Gardens infant had an unbeaten season, the Debutants dethroned Ascot infant to lift the trophy with a 1-0 win.
For me, it goes to show that with the right attitude, the right support, the right systems in place, our children can achieve anything that any children in any other uptown or middle class community can achieve. And so this is a big deal for us. My community is happy. I can tell her it's going to be celebrations when we get back.
Meanwhile, Naggerhead Infant clipped Greater Portmore 2-1 to win the third place playoff. 21 teams took part in the competition.
One thing I'm sure about, my children from my type of communities are multi-talented. I told them that the ball is round though, and even if I don't win today, I am going to be one super proud principal. But they decided they're going to make me even super prouder. And so they came out and they delivered. Even though they're tired, they decided they're going to deliver.
Well, we are elated to be the champion. We know it was going to be a tough game. And so our game plan was to just have a strong defensive unit, because we know our guys have been scoring the ball, and we know they are capable of putting the ball in the back of the net.